Hi friends, welcome to English classes. Now we will discussing about remaining part of the noun. So noun number. Noun number. What is noun number? Noun means a name of person, place, thing, and number means after use s or es. Then first singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun denotes one place, one person and thing, means one. For example, boy, girl, table and chair, etc. are singular nouns. And plural noun that denotes more than one place, persons and things, more than one, means plural noun. For example, stage, boy, table, chair, etc. are plural nouns. For changing singular into plural, for rule number first, few nouns made a plural by adding s. So example, boy, girl, kite, telephone, etc. are after in the end we use s after these nouns. And rule number second is few nouns which have s, double s, ch, sh, z or x at the end are made plural by adding es at the end. For example, for these are singulars and these are plurals. Singular: bus, buses; church, churches; class, classes. Sorry for that, this means classes, es after double s. Quiz, quizzes. And there are some exceptions. For example, stomach, in the end use ch, but here in the end after ch we use s. And locus, after s we said earlier we use after s es, but here we use loci only. And there is radius, there is radii, auction, ox and auction. So there are some exceptions for s, for es after s, double s, ch, sh, x. Then rule number third is if few nouns that end in o have constant preceding it are made plural by es. Okay, and by o use as. For example, hero, heroes; mango, mangoes; and eco, ecos after es. And potato, potatoes. But there are also some exceptions. For example, dynamo, dynamos after o we use only s here. And ratio, ratios; piano, pianos; and photo, photos. So there are some exceptions for o. Rule number fourth is noun ending with double vowel. Double vowel means double e, double a, I, e. Like these are the double vowels are made plural by adding s. For example, b, b double e we use here s. B, tree, t r double e we use t r e s, trees. Jew, z double o and z double o s. Portfolio, portfolio, and here we use s because they are plurals, both are plurals, I and o, so we use here s. Radio, like above, radio, radios. And rule number fifth is Noun that end in y and have consonant preceding, means have consonant preceding y, are made plural, changing y into ies after consonant, means cri, cry. After consonant we use here ies. Family, family, families, remove y and use ies here. And after that st, before y here is a consonant t, so we use here stees, ies, country, countries, reply, replies. And rule number 6 is noun that end in y and have a vowel before y are made plural adding by s, means here we use consonant before y and uh, noun before having y and have a vowel before y are made plural by adding s. Here we use s. Example for this: key, key. Here is a vowel, so after y we use s only. Ray, rays, way, ways. Donkey, donkeys. Valley, valleys. Story, stories. So these are after these are the use of s after y. And rule number 7 is noun that end in f and or fe are made plural by changing f or fe into ves. For example, calf, calf, and it change into f change into ves, calves. Calves. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves. Leaf, leaves. Self, selves. Half, halves. And thief, thieves. So after lf or ef, after ef we remove f and add ves here. And there are some exceptions for these types of nouns. Belief, belief here f, but we use here s after f. Cliff, clips. Safe, safes. So these are some exceptions. And another next page: dwarf, dwarfs. Gulp, gulps. Scarp, scarps. So these are some exceptions for after f use s. Rule number 8: compound noun are made plural by s to the main verb, means adding s to the main verb. It, for example, brother-in-law. If we want to make plural this, we use s here. Brothers in law. Not in laws, we always use s after brother. And bedrooms, bedroom, um, its plural is bedrooms. So adding s to the main word, recognize the main word and use s after that. Stepdaughter, stepdaughters. Maid servant, maid servants. And man hater, man haters. Woman lover and woman lovers. And there is rule number 9. Rule number 9 is the following nouns, the inner vowel are changed to make plural in form of plural form. Okay, for example, here singular and here is plural. Man, man. here. Inner vowel means it's man, man, and its plural is men. Apot, ot, and feet, et. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. GOOSE and DGEESE. Woman, woman. Tooth, teeth. Osses, and lost, LOUSE, lies. So these are inner vowel change according to the uh, to make them plural in form of. Then rule number 10. In some nouns, en is added to change them into plural. So let's see the example. Like first example, children, child. Its plural is children. Some people use children as a singular, but is always a plural. Some people adding s after children, but that's totally wrong. So always remember, child is the singular form and children is the plural form of child. Ox, oxen. So these are two two nouns which is en added to change into form of plural. Some typical plural nouns. Let's see. First, some nouns of Latin origin means those are made by Latin people. Ending, some noun of Latin origin ending in the um are singular. They are made plural by replacing by a. So that's important. Try to understand. For example, datum, datum, but its plural is data, data. Changed into a. And ovum, ova. Dictum, dicta. So keep in mind these are Latin words uh, and change into a here. Next is memorandum, memoranda, and stratum and strata. So these are agendum and agenda. So these are some changed into into a. Note, note, recognize and keep in mind, concentrate, focus on this. Some noun end in but s is added. Some nouns these are some exceptions. For example, asylum, asylum, but after we use here as museums, premiums, forums, pendulums. So these are some exceptions for this method. And some nouns and in the but as is added. Okay. Second is few Greek words ending on are made plural by replacing on by a. Ending in on and replacing by a. For example, pronoun, here non, but it's removed by a. Its plural form is phenomena. On remove here and it's make plural. Criterion and criteria. So these are two Greek words ending in on and made plural by replacing on by a. There are some important noun numbers. These are very rare, so learn them. Singular form, radius, plural form, radii. So this is totally different from above rules. Syllabus, syllabi, and analysis, analysis, and crisis, crisis, basis and basis, and thesis, thesis, hypothesis, hypothesis. So these are some important nouns. Always learn them. Always um, try to learn them. And thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel English classes. Thank you for watching.